YouTube.
Give you the keys in her face and show her how to.
Come on, bro. Hey, man. 7:34. Just had to hurry up and get up. Niggas ain't really get up at 6 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that right, Hoodie boy? Hoodie boy. But man, today a busy day, man. We got boxes on the way to the warehouse. We got shit. We gotta get stuff together for Copycat. We gotta do all this stuff, man. So. I know y'all didn't see part one, but we done made it to the gym now. And the boy Rich Lawner can't get in again, man. We in the same. Look at him over there. You see him in the background. He trying to sign up. I don't know what's going on. I tried to tell him, man, that you can't use the screenshot, man. Listen. But then we can go get that work in. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that right, water boy? Where you get some water from? Yo, gang, where you get some water from? Gang. Yo, gang. Gang. Yo, gang.
Tired as fuck, chat. We only doing abs right now. We probably only doing abs today, but damn, chat. I'm overly tired. But we about to get back to it. Workout done. Workout done, huh, Rich Lawner?
Workout done, man. You know we put in work.
Shit.
Put in work
I
every day.
work this motherfucker. Said we got what?
Put in work every day, man. Wake up early, goddamn, go to sleep late, man. Listen, man, you ain't gotta lift the most, man. You come in the motherfucker, hit 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 80 crunches, 60 dips, then go home, do 100 push-ups a night, 100 crunches. You can be cut up. You know what I'm saying? We gotta add pull-ups next time. Fine.
Simple as that. Simple as that. What it was? What time is it?
Good time.
And we jump rope, got on the bike, crunches. So 45-minute workout. Now we on the way to accomplish today. No, for real.
Let's talk to him.
Hey man.
Hi, bro.
What's up? What's up, brother?
What's up, brother? How are you doing?
Good, good. So you want to do our production, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And right now we have other quotes from other manufacturers around $50 for the puffer coat ship. I'm trying to figure out why is it so high with you? They're in your same city, 6 o'clock.
No, what shipping method they are using?
UPS.
By sea? By sea?
No, UPS by the air.
Okay. Do you have their puffers in hand? And the puffers are sublimated or the normal puffers?
Sublimation all over.
Do you have it's the same design?
Yeah.
It is with the shipping?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Give me.
Hey man, so I just got home from the gym. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking buff for real. Like, see my arms really bent, but today we ain't do no lifting. We really just did abs, push-ups, sit-ups, like, you know what I'm saying, all that type of work. But yeah, so I'm getting prices for stuff. About to make me a smoothie. We got like We got a crazy amount of packages going to the warehouse today. I think I got 2 boxes yesterday, so I think it's supposed to be 36 in total. So I should have 34 more going today. We're gonna see when we get up there. We're gonna make a protein. We're gonna make a protein smoothie real quick. Y'all hear that Shopify going off in the background, man. Copy. That's the other brand. You know, I got 2 brands. Both of them be going off for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? So, smoothie we go. Mango. I've been making smoothies lately. I've been putting like too much of I've been making too much. But next time we probably get a healthier version. Cause you know I did a little research and this one cool. It's just not the healthiest version, so we gotta make sure we get the healthiest version. Blend it up.
Talk to me. I know it's a last minute ask.
Nah, it's all good. So I just keep me updated.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. All right. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Bye.
All right, so that was just a call with an ad company that has 250 clients, and I know y'all probably don't know, but in Atlanta, I don't think we ever advertised it, but we have a content company because it's a lot of people who live in places like, you know, they just probably live out of town, you know, things like that, and they're not able to, you know, have access to photo shoots, models, commercials, like everything you need to generate money on ads. They don't have access to it. So since we live in a city that's full of that stuff, we decided to offer it to them. So, but ours is more business based. Sometimes I'll talk, you know, brand to brand, but I'd rather go to people who already have a bunch of brands and we could offer them a wholesale rate, like a company like that already has like 200 and 250 clients, you know, stuff like that, versus just talking to one brand and they want to pick nickel and dime you. You know, I don't really want to go through all that. But right now we're just doing it on a beginner base. But in a minute, we're going to start offering it to bigger companies, you know, like Best Buy and Sam's Club. You know, all these type of companies are trying to get more into social media, and they also can't find the stuff that we have access to. Even though we overlook it, they need it because that's what people are looking at. People right now are looking at social media to influence their purchase, TikTok to influence their purchase, Instagram to influence their purchase. So all that type of stuff, we're offering that too, on top of the 2 brands that I have. But right now, the time is 11:35, and I'm about to go take a shower, put on some clothes, get ready to go up to the warehouse. The boxes should be coming in shortly. Hold on, let me check my other phone. Whoa. So much for that. It looks like they actually delivered like an hour ago. Probably actually 10 minutes after I called my manufacturer asking if they was coming today. Matter of fact, I think literally. Hold on, let me see when I text him. Because when we got off the phone, he texted me and sent me and said they was out for delivery. And they delivered at 10:49. And he sent me that message at 10:45. So literally 4 minutes after I got done talking to him, they delivered. But, you know, we just had to get on a call. We then went to the gym at 7 o'clock. So now I'm about to go take a shower, put on the fit, and we're going to head to the warehouse. And now we're ready to go to the warehouse. Today I go Sad Boy Forces. I go Dominion Unreleased Sweatsuit. And I'm itching right now because I just got out of the shower. Threw on some clothes right away. But this the fit. This the tree. Them the gifts. And we can head up to the warehouse. Finna see what packages there. You know what I'm saying? Got the chargers. Now, we're gonna head to the warehouse. I'm gonna take the Air Maxes though, cause alright man, we just got to the warehouse. I went and picked me up a couple bottles of water from the store real quick. But hold on. We got this pallet of boxes right here. And Hold on. So I think in total we had like 22 boxes. I'm still supposed to get some more in. I'm still expecting like another 10 plus. And then we got these boxes right here. So we got a good majority of the first 500 tracksuits in. I'm about to organize them. I'm about to call my mom a black truck up here so she can come and help me pack these orders. But in the meantime, until she gets here, I'm about to organize these tracksuits. Go box to box, organize them by, you know, small, medium, large, extra large. I'm gonna get her station ready so she be good to come in and get right to packing, get her poly mailers and everything in line. So I'm gonna I'm probably gonna time lapse me going through these boxes, but I'm about to bring the rest of them in. So y'all give me 1 second. I didn't even see that there's a sample box that came in too. So let's open it up. Let's see what's in there. Alright, let's get y'all right. Bad bit. I don't know where this box opens it. It's covered with tape. Okay. So this isn't just a sample box, we got some pants in here. And then we got another pair of pants. So, box, but let's take these out of the packaging. I'm gonna try these on later, you know, to show you how they look. But pictures go, of course. Let's see how it looks in person. This one's fire. That one's fire, I ain't gonna lie. For whatever reason. I love this one too. Mia Khalifa passport hoodie. Let's see. This is fire, I ain't gonna lie. This the one. We got stones on the letters. My Barbie doll hoodie. I know this going platinum. Now I see it in person. It might go triple platinum. Yeah, I'll probably do a haul video and take the stuff out. But right now, we got all the boxes in here. Like literally got, I don't know why the camera's doing that. We got all the boxes in here, literally. Yeah, we got all the boxes in here. Then we got more boxes over here. So right now we loaded. Got boxes everywhere, we loaded. So I'm about to finish opening up all these boxes. My mom on the way, she'll be here by 1:45. It's 1:30. So in 15 minutes I can have all these opened up. I'm gonna organize all the inventory, put it on the shelf, and then me and her together we can start packing. I'm pretty sure we can get out of here by today at like maybe 6 or 7 o'clock. It shouldn't take that long. But we gonna see. I'm about to get to packing the rest of these orders and get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, so we an hour, about an hour into separating. We still got all this left. Got all this stuff on the shelves. And on the shelf over there. Still got another 14 boxes. Still got another 14 boxes on the way, waiting for those to get in before. Well, some stuff we got more pants and hoodies. Some stuff we got more hoodies than pants. So we waiting for all that stuff to get in before we finish out. But we're almost done.
XL pants, son. I said, I'm a bunch of XL pants.
No hoodies?
Yeah. So I'm wondering if we need to bag them.
Probably, yeah. The hoodies didn't come yet.
I don't think so.
Okay. Yeah, we could just box them up.
All right.
Yeah, of course not. So now it's what time is it? 5:17. 5:17. We gotta pack everything that's in here. And I'm about to get on board because I ain't been doing that. But small is gonna be gone, medium, easy. See, it's really easy now since it's like that. This is really easy to pack because we already have the labels organized. We already got the inventory, so we just gotta let's knock out these large gray. Get the large gray labels, knock them out. Oh, we got medium cream. Let's get the medium cream, knock them out. But yeah, I'm about to.
Organization's half the battle.
Have the battle, right? But
Can you come in this place 24 hours?
Yep, I was here the other night till like 1, 2 o'clock.
Tonight?
I was here the other night till like 1, 2 o'clock. Yeah.
We're gonna get a lot done today. But there's some other boxes coming in. We got to.
You said the other boxes come?
Yeah, we got to. You know, for it's a certain amount of exhilaration when you know you're having some. Instead of putting some money in somebody else's family.
Right.
Something about it is just totally different.
I want to knock these bundles out. Well, we don't have the polys, but I want to pull them
Okay.
and put them to the side before I do all the rest of these.
Okay, so you got those cream going to somebody else?
What, them that I told you to leave up there?
Yeah.
I just did that because I seen some of these had small
Got it,
cream, so
got it.
I was just like, might as well stop. What's those on the ground right there? Oh, those mediums? You just put them on the ground?
Those mediums, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm doing 10 at a time type of thing. Just, for my own.
Yeah, so you ain't got to keep getting up and sitting down.
Huh?
So you got to keep getting up and sitting down?
Yeah, I just do 10 at a time.
Okay. So, we got overly orders. I'm flicking up real quick, you know what I'm saying? But, y'all know that's the end of the vlog. About to go get something to eat, man. Just got done packing like 300 orders real quick today. Probably pack another 300 tomorrow. And, that just is what it is, man. But appreciate y'all tuning in to this vlog, man. Be tuned for the next one. We upload like once or twice a week, starting in January. We gotta stay with the motion. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all didn't see the fit, domain on the fit, you know what I'm saying? Headphones to match. You know I had to go sad, boys. You feel me? But light day, polite day, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.